This is the connector trail connecting Mackenzie to Caberfae. Headed out to Mackenzie. So several years back, maybe 4 years ago, we had a real big blowdown. It knocked down a lot of trees in the woods surrounding Caberfae. And as you can see, there's quite an effort keeping this place open, cutting through all these dead trees. Unfortunately, the water issue and the lack of drainage on this place really hurts it quite a bit. We need some definite trail design help. These are old historic trails. Unfortunately, the water has found these trails, and the seeps have sort of gotten into following these trails. Even in this dry summer, you really can't mountain bike a lot of this area without getting muddy, even up in these hills, because like I said, natural seeps follow these trails. It really needs a whole redesign. It would take some money, so I don't know how that will ever happen. But if you look at Mosquito Creek and the design, how the place stays dry even if it rains. Of course, it's different soils, but still, if this place was designed with drainage in mind, these trails could get a lot more use in the summer. And I suspect even in the winter, it's kind of why I'm going this route right now, see if anything soaked through. I saw a little soak through at the bottom of one trail, but so far nothing's really soaked through too bad.